Hey folks, what's going on? We have another safety tip for you, really important. Sand and gravel in the road. Do you see this sand right here? Do you see that? That little bit of sand will take you down and break your arm. Period. That's it. That's all it takes. Trying to turn in sand or gravel with your bicycle. Trying to do that. If you're doing that, if you try to turn or try to stop, it's something of a soft substance matter. There's a chance you could go down with a bike and be hurt very badly. Now I'm going to show you here what I'm talking about. I don't like doing this sort of thing, but I'm going to do it because I want you to see the consequences of what happens when you try to turn or brake in sand or gravel. Well, this is it right here. You see that? That's all it took. Right there. I touched my brake in this sand and I went down. I was actually trying to turn. What I'm trying to tell you is, folks, you have to take it easy. Any loose substance on the trail, in the road, that you hit and brake or try to turn on, there's a chance you'll go down. You can be hurt very seriously, very seriously. So keep that in mind when you're riding, okay? Just another tip that's really important, okay? We're gonna give you some more here, all right? Appreciate you, thanks.